Here is a easy and affordable makeup look for work or college. Skincare is done, let's get into the makeup. Now going to hide my pores using this primer by Mars. I apply it all over my face to make my makeup stay longer. Then I am going to use Inside Cosmetics Skin Touch Longwear Stick Concealer exactly matched to my skin tone to hide my dark circles and pigmentation. Easily blendable by finger and brushes. For blush I am using Inside Super Stick Cream Blush in the shade Rose Jelly. Easily blendable and stays for more than 12 hours if you set with powder. Now let's set everything with the Sugar Pop Longwear Compact in the shade 03 Honey. Now for eyebrows using Miss Clear Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 01 Black. This one is my favorite eyebrow pencil in this affordable price. For contouring and eyeshadow I am using NYB Pro Contour Bronze Deep Brown 01. This is my most used bronzer from my vanity. Using my everyday Kajal by Lakme Eyeconic. It's dark and does not burn my eyes. It's smudge proof and waterproof. I am using Blue Heaven Extreme Length Mascara. It is a quick drying, waterproof and lightweight mascara. I have never seen a good mascara in only 180 rupees. Lip lining is very important for me because of my pigmented and thin lips. So using Miss Clear chocolate colored lip liner, and now for the lips using Mars non-transfer lipstick shade number 14 Enchanted. It's a mauve nude shade, stays for long time if you don't eat your lipstick. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.